We're on to our last segment. This is conversion, and conversion involves two parts. Okay, you either convert from bigger unit of measurement to a smaller unit of measurement, or it is the other way around, converting from smaller unit to a bigger unit. All right, we are starting with converting from bigger to smaller unit because this one is the easier one. So let's just take a look. For example, from dollars to cents. And what you need to know is, let's say we give you M dollars. How do you change M dollars to cents? Firstly, you know that when you have 1, you do not write the 1, right? So if I have M, actually it means it's 1M, correct? So what happens now is, the conversion, we try to put the number back in, and the number portion is the one where we will do the conversion. We will temporarily just put the variable aside first. Then after that, we put them back together. Okay? So M dollars is actually $1 times M. Okay? So this M, put it aside, and I'm going to do the conversion for the $1. So $1 is actually 100 cents. Okay? The times M is still as it is. Now that this conversion is done, I put the M back in. So it is 100 M cents. Alright? Now, some people may think, oh, there's a 1 there, so I want to replace the M by putting the M in there. So it's M000. Now, you must know that the only time you actually do not write the 1 and you only write the variable is when it is 1. Now, what you see down here is 100. 100 is actually one number. It is a one number that has 3 digits, otherwise known as a 3-digit number. Okay, but it's a one number only. So it is not 1, it is 100. Therefore, you cannot put the M and replace. Cannot. Okay, M is only replaced when it's 1, not when it's 100. All right. Okay, what about kilograms to grams? Let's try another example. So instead of using 1, now we have 2N. So for example, if you have 2N kg, what I'm going to do is I'm separating the N from the number. So you have 2 kg times N. The 2 kg is the one you change to grams. So that will be 2000 grams. And then now that this is done, put the N back in. So that will be 2000 N grams. Let's try with some questions. Kevin has 5p cents. William has $2. How much do they have altogether? Give your answer in cents. So this one, no need to change. It's already settled. You only need to change the $2. So if $1 is 100 cents, $2 will be 200 cents. Now that we have that, we just need to put them together. 200 cents plus 5p cents. The common term is actually cents. So pull the cents out, the 200 plus 5p, put them together. Okay? Next. A basketball weighs p grams. A bucket weighs p kilograms. Find the total mass of the basketball and bucket in grams. So p grams no need to change. It's p kilograms that we want to change. So 1 kilogram is 1000 grams. P kilogram is actually 1 kilogram times P. Alright, so that one you just convert, you have 1000 P grams. With that, you want the total, you just take this and you add to the P grams. So 1000 P plus P, that will get you 1001 P grams. Next, Alice had a ribbon of length 35y meters. She used 35y centimeters of the ribbon to tie a present. What is the length of ribbon left? Express your answer in centimeters. So this is the one that we have to worry about. This one is settled. So 35y meters is the same as 35 meters times y. So you know that 35 meters is actually 3500 centimeters. So you can put the y back in. 35y meters will be 3500 y centimeters. With that, I can now subtract the 35y centimeters. That will get me 3,465 y centimeters. John's water bottle had 0.85 K liters of water. He went jogging and drank 330 K milliliters of water. Next, he went to the water cooler and filled his bottle to the brim. If John had a 1.5 K liters water bottle, how much water did he fill at the water cooler? Express your answer in milliliters. So if you were to look at that, the problem is this one. 0.85 K liters, separate the 0.85 from the K, and then 0.85, change it to milliliters. Okay, so 0.85 liters is actually 850 ml. Put the K back in so that we can now take 850K ml and minus the 330K ml. That will get me 520K ml. Now, of course, when he goes back and fill it up to the brim is going to be 1.5K liters. And 1.5K liters, we have to change it into milliliters. That will be 1,500K. And we are going to subtract this 520, right? So 1500K minus 520K, you'll get 980K ml.